already like 2 seconds into the video and the battery needs to be replaced. Sounds about right. So today we're gonna do her makeup. We're gonna just have a little chatty time, little hangout sesh, you know. We're gonna try out the Giorgio Amani Luminous Silk Foundation because I picked this up at Sephora as like a total impulse, and I don't even really wear makeup that much anymore. But I was like, let's try it out because kind of want to get it for my makeup kit. Justification. Used the Hourglass primer and we're gonna go for it. So lately, I've been starting to watch a little bit more YouTube than I previously had. And what I've been looking for is, I've been looking for new channels to watch. And I've been having some, I don't want to say like issues, but it is kind of hard, believe it or not, with how many people are on YouTube to find like a good channel to watch. So I thought I would put it out there, what I look for in a YouTuber. I do not really like this brush with this foundation. I like this foundation so far though, it's nice. So I used to really just kind of love makeup videos. Obviously when I first started my channel years ago, that's what I did. So if you're wondering, why does this girl only have 50 views and like 5,500 subscribers? It's because I did videos, I had like 400 and something videos in the span of a few years, and then I hit all those videos and I was gone for like 3 years, and then I decided, let's start again, but we're gonna just do something completely different, and we came back looking different as well. So I don't really watch a lot of makeup content anymore. It's just like not like my thing. It's like, I'll still watch it. I'll still do a makeup video here and there, but it's not where my head's at, you know? Except if it's Bailey Sarian, because I love her Murder Mystery Makeup Monday videos, obviously. But I've been really enjoying like vlog content. And I'm not saying like all vlog content, because I despise like family vloggers. I think they're kind of like the worst. I don't know. I think it's also just because like I don't have kids, so I just can't relate. But I've been really liking more like chill vlogs, like people who are like literally just living their life, doing their thing, running errands. Like I don't need like a whole production. Like I don't give a shit like how many vacations you've gone on. You just make me feel a little poor, you know? I really like moving vlogs because I think we might be moving. Foundation's like nice, but I don't know if it's this brush. It's nothing like crazy. Like I don't know if this is really worth like $60-something. It reminds me actually a lot of the Makeup Forever HD foundation, which I love, and I have that in my makeup kit. And I mean, the coverage is pretty similar. It looks like it's like a light to medium coverage, but can be buildable. So I don't know if this is something I would be spending a lot of money on adding to my makeup kit, because I honestly feel like the Makeup Forever one is like pretty similar. I got a mini of the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer because I really love it, and I was like, I'm not gonna get the full size because they still have that Rare Beauty concealer, and I do like it, but this one, I don't know what it is. I just keep going back to it. It's so nice. So I'm just taking this little brush and blending out my concealer first with it. Then I'll go in with my sponge. Damn, I love this concealer. It is so nice. I actually really like going in with the brush first and then using the sponge to really blend it out. It's so nice. It's so lightweight. It's really worth the hype. Let's see. I did that. I think I kind of want to do maybe like a little shadow or bronzer in my crease. Let's see. We're gonna take the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics palette. This is Warm Flush and Golden Goddess. I hid my review on this for the sole fact My skin was so effed up when I did the review. Like it was like super, super dry. And I actually feel like I didn't give it a fair shot. So I decided I was just gonna hide the review because I was also in like a nasty mood that day. Shouldn't have even filmed it, but I mean, like it happens, I guess. I love that. I love just taking like a bronzer and like putting it on the crease. It's so nice. I could probably honestly just put this all over my lid. What I'm gonna do, I'm going to take this little brush and I think I'm gonna kind of like go on my lower lash line a little bit. I definitely think I need like a deeper color to kind of help me out here. Hold on. So this is the Dior contour palette. I'm just gonna take, I think, this deeper shade in here. It's a little bit cooler. It's not as warm because this bronzer is like super warm. And I'm going to, maybe I'll even take this even deeper one. Okay, so now I'm actually gonna take the Makeup by Mario palette. If you don't have this palette, I highly suggest it. It's the matte one. It is so nice. And also like, you can just, mattes, I feel like an all matte palette is great because then you just get, you know, like a little bit of shimmer. If you want shimmer, just pop it on there, you know? Just run it on the lash line a little bit. I think I just look sick. And I'm actually gonna take a little bit of a deeper brown and put it, I think, in my crease a little bit. I don't know, I feel like this is just not working out for me, and this is why I don't do my own makeup anymore. It's brown eyeliner from MAC. And this is just gonna go, oh yeah, this has helped. Okay, I like this, I think. We're still just playing around, and this is the fun thing about makeup, is because if we hate it, we just wash it off later. So I'm actually gonna take, this is very exciting. They don't have it at Sephora, which is sad. And it's currently sold out on the Nars website, but this is the Nars Laguna liquid bronzer. You heard it right, the liquid bronzer, which I got for my makeup kit, and I've depotted it. So it's in, this brush is dirty, but it is what it is. So I've depotted it and it's in my makeup kit, but I have the actual bottle, and as soon as it comes back in stock, I need to buy like 2 more backups because this is stunning. I just spit on myself. So natural. So if you're someone who's like super into like more of like a natural look, the liquid bronzer is gonna be good. I think also like a cream bronzer would be good, but I don't know, like I just like the way that the liquid bronzer is because it's thinner than the cream, and it's just so nice. So for blush, this is like a super quick like makeup thing. Maybe not, I don't know, we'll see what the footage is like. I kind of want to go with the Petal Poppin' because I want to keep this, you know, a little glowy, but then I also kind of want to try the Mario Makeup by Mario blush. You know what? We're just gonna go with Petal Poppin'. We're just gonna keep the uniform of more like liquids and creams. It's so funny, like when I'm doing my makeup now, thinking of when I first started doing YouTube, or like even like before that when I would just do my makeup all the time, how much it's changed. Like it used to be obviously like super full coverage, like, you know, different type of like eyeshadow looks, and now I have just, you know, rarely do it. And with the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter, and I'm going to use that as like my highlight. Boop, 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 boop. So we're gonna take a little bit more of that Flawless Filter, and we're just gonna kind of put that under the brow bone. am going to use a lip liner. I'm gonna see how I like this. I normally don't like anything really on my lips, but we're gonna try it out. The Jaclyn Hill lip liner. I was in Ulta and I was like, let me try this, because if I like them, I'll get them for my kit. I actually like this color a lot because it's pretty natural looking. This is the shade Caramel Latte. I'm really like shaky right now because I had a pre-workout and I'm drinking a large coffee, so just bear with me. Do you know what's so crazy? I got my lips done in December, and like the end of December, so like the beginning of January, and they're like, oh, come back in like 4 or 5 months for a touch-up. They haven't even gone down yet. I think honestly, for getting my lips done, they look more natural than some other lips, but they haven't gone down. They're crazy for wanting me to come back. Damn, I do like this lip liner. It is nice. You know what, let's just use my little concealer brush. This has just like a little bit of leftover concealer, like if any. You can see it just kind of like lightens the middle a little bit. I do like this a lot. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this lip gloss. This is by Velvet Pout in the shade Vintage. These glosses are like amazing. I'm actually just gonna take a little bit on my finger. Damn. I really like that Jaclyn lip liner. It is super smooth, glides on. This color is so nice. I have to get this for my makeup kit like immediately. This is the shade Caramel Latte. I also got another shade, which is Parline. I am not very good at reading. That's Parline right there. And this is Caramel Latte. So this is my makeup look for today. What do you guys think? I just need to film like a clothing haul, and that's pretty much it. So I thought I would just do a little makeup action. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like chatty makeup videos, let me know in the comments below, and I'll definitely try to throw a few of these in here. If you're not subscribed, and if you would like to, you're always welcome to. And thank you guys for watching.